what's up? Ugh, LinkedIn is so confusing. I know I should be using it to connect with more potential clients, but I'm just getting stuck. Totally get it. You know what? I was the same way as you before I enrolled in Brenda Meller's Recipe for Social Selling on LinkedIn program. Brenda Meller? Isn't that LinkedIn coach that everyone's been raving about? Yep, that's the one and only. See, now that's the thing. I know she's amazing, but I still struggle with what to post. I don't know what to post. Yeah, well, Brenda completely changed that for me. She helped me to brainstorm ideas on what I could post on LinkedIn to help to showcase my expertise and to attract my ideal client. It's like following a recipe for making a really good pie, right? You gotta have the right ingredients, put them in the right order, and you gotta have the right measurements of everything. And the recipe is like that. It provides you with easy to follow, step-by-step instructions for social selling success on LinkedIn. Ugh, and connecting, don't even get me started. That's a whole other nightmare. How do I even approach someone without appearing sick? She's gonna teach you a conversational approach to connect with people on LinkedIn, and it feels genuine, not pushy. I hate when people are pushy. Interesting. Now this is exactly what I need, but I gotta tell you, I'm a little worried about the price. Totally get it, and I think we need to be concerned about our expenses as small business owners, right? But try to think of it more as an investment, and even consider how many clients would it take you to get that money back, right? For many people who enroll in the recipe, getting just one new client would recoup the investment that you've made in the program, right? Plus, Brenda offers a couple options to make it even more budget friendly. If you don't want to do the pay in full, you can do the 3 payment option or even spread that cost out over 12 months. Plus, the recipe includes small group coaching where you get the chance to interact with people like you and me who are coaches and consultants and solopreneurs. We get to bounce ideas off of each other. Plus, you get access to Brenda, and she's going to give you personalized recommendations and feedback live on the spot. A supportive community and small group coaching. That does sound pretty cool. Maybe I should check it out. You won't regret it. Trust me on this. Brenda's going to help you to unlock the power of LinkedIn and really understand how to use social selling to start attracting more of the right clients. Hey, thanks for your time. I really appreciate just bouncing these ideas off of you. Hey, anytime. Feel free to reach out to me if I can ever help you again in the future. The one and only. See, now that's the thing. I know that she's amazing, but I still struggle with like little things like, how do I even connect with people on LinkedIn without sounding like salesy? I just really appreciate having you just to bounce these ideas. I've been thinking about this since the webinar, and I think I know what I need to do.